Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. In today's video, we will discuss a very important concept in ISO 22000-2018, the PDCA cycle, Plan, Do, Check, Act. The PDCA cycle is the foundation of a food safety management system, that is FSMS, and helps organizations continuously improve their food safety processes. So let's get started. What is the PDCA cycle in ISO 22000-2018? The PDCA cycle is a systematic approach used to manage and improve food safety performance. It ensures that food safety risks are identified, controlled, monitored, and improved over time. In ISO 22000-2018, the PDCA cycle operates at two levels. First, at the organizational level, managing the entire food safety management system, FSMS. Second, at the operational level, controlling hazard prevention measures. Let's now break down each stage of the PDCA cycle. Step 1. Plan. Planning the FSMS, the first step is planning your food safety management system. This includes identifying food safety hazards and risk, establishing prerequisite programs, that is PRPs, developing an effective HACCP plan, that is hazard analysis and critical control points, setting food safety objectives and policies, ensuring compliance with regulatory and customer requirements. For example, if your company produces dairy products, you must plan for temperature control, contamination risk, and hygiene standards. Step 2. Do. Implementing the plan. Now that the planning is done, it's time to implement the food safety plan. This involves training employees on food safety procedures, maintaining proper hygiene and sanitation, applying food handling, processing, and storage practices, monitoring critical control points, that is CCPs, such as temperature control in food processing. For example, if a restaurant plans to improve food safety, the do phase includes training staff on hand hygiene, proper cooking temperatures, and allergen management. Step 3. Check. Monitoring and evaluating performance. This step focuses on monitoring and measuring whether the food safety system is working as planned. Key activities include conducting internal audits and food safety inspections, monitoring CCPs and PRPs for compliance, reviewing food safety performance data, identifying non-conformities and areas for improvement. For example, a food processing plant may conduct daily temperature checks on refrigeration units to ensure compliance with food safety standards. Step 4. Act. Taking corrective actions and continuous improvement. The final stage of the PDCA cycle is taking action based on the results of the check phase. This involves implementing corrective actions for food safety issues, improving processes based on audit findings and customer feedback, updating policies and training programs, ensuring continuous compliance with ISO 22000 standards. For example, if an audit finds that food storage temperatures are not being recorded properly, the organization must correct the process and train staff on accurate record keeping. The PDCA cycle in ISO 22000-2018 helps businesses ensure continuous improvement in food safety. This cycle ensures that food is safe for consumers and helps organizations meet legal and regulatory requirements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy for more informative content on ISO standards. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.